In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can calculate standard deviation in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Here you can see some demo data and we are going to calculate standard deviation of those data. So let's try with this. Just enter equal, then write std. You will see some option. We are going to select second option, which is stdev.s. That means estimate standard deviation based on a sample. So double click this and you need to just enter the numbers, and this is our numbers. We are selecting this. You don't need to enter second number because this is an optional. So just close the bracket and enter. Here you can see that this is our standard deviation value. This is how you can easily calculate standard deviation in Microsoft Excel. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.